Just imagine this. The small silver coin in your hand today could change your financial life tomorrow. People often say, gold is a rich man's game. But history tells a very different story. The real question isn't whether silver is cheap or expensive. The real question is, are we making the decision on time, or are we already too late? Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about the silver market update and address one very important question. Today's silver, tomorrow's millionaire. This is not hype. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is an analysis based on facts, history, and future trends. Whether you're an investor, a trader, or someone who simply wants to protect their hard-earned money, this discussion is for you. Silver, not just a metal, but history. Silver is not just about jewelry. Silver has played a crucial role throughout history. AP, currency of ancient civilizations. AP, a store of wealth for kings and empires. AP, and today a backbone of the modern industrial world. AP, there was a time when 1 ounce of silver equaled a full day's wage for a skilled worker. AP, and today, a worker can work an entire day and still struggle to afford 1 ounce of silver. AP, so the question arises, AP, did silver become cheap, or did currency become weak? P, today's silver market update. AP, now let's talk about today's silver market. AP, global inflation remains high. AP, interest rates keep moving unpredictably. AP, stock markets are volatile. AP, geopolitical tensions continue to rise. AP, and during times like these, where do investors traditionally go? AP, hard assets. AP, precious metals. AP, gold has already become very expensive. AP, but silver still appears undervalued. AP, at least when compared to historical data. The gold-to-silver ratio is still far above its long-term historical average. And history shows us one thing very clearly. Whenever this ratio reaches extreme levels, silver eventually moves, and it moves aggressively. Industrial demand, silver's secret weapon. Here's a very important point many people overlook. Gold mostly sits quietly in vaults, but silver works. Electric vehicles, electronics, C, medical equipment, C, 5G and future technologies. The green energy revolution is accelerating, and silver is its silent hero. Demand is increasing rapidly, but what about supply? Production costs are rising, and new discoveries are becoming rarer. Basic economics tells us one simple rule. High demand plus limited supply equals higher prices. Tomorrow's millionaire, reality check. Now let's be honest. Will buying silver instantly make you a millionaire? No. Will silver skyrocket overnight? No. But can silver reward those who are patient and think long-term? Check. According to history, yes. Those who ignored silver in the 1970s missed a major opportunity. Those who accumulated silver after 2008 witnessed powerful returns. And today, once again, it feels like we're entering a phase where smart money is quietly building positions. Common mistakes people make. Focusing only on price, not value. Panicking over short-term market noise. Putting all savings into a single asset. Following hype without proper research. Silver investing requires discipline and patience. This is not a sprint, it's a marathon. The role of silver in your financial strategy. Silver should be viewed neither as a lottery ticket nor as a boring metal. Instead, see it as a hedge against inflation, portfolio diversification, long-term wealth protection. Starting with a small quantity is not a mistake. Consistency matters more than size. Emotional close, strong ending. History doesn't always shout. Sometimes it whispers. And today, silver is whispering. The question is, are we listening? The decision you make today may not show results tomorrow. Instead, see it as a hedge against inflation, portfolio diversification, long-term wealth protection. If you found this analysis valuable, like, comment, silver, yes or no, and follow or subscribe for more market insights. Because knowledge always comes before profit.